Possible derivation. The derivative of a function f of x with respect to x is equal to 2 times the cosine of x. This can be written as df of x over dx equals 2 times cosine of x. First factor out the constant 2d over dx of the quantity cosine of x. To find the derivative of cosine of x, we'll use the chain rule. The derivative of cosine of u with respect to u times the derivative of u with respect to x, where u equals x. The derivative of cosine of u is negative sine of u, so it's negative sine of x times 1, which is negative sine of x. Now, let's simplify the second part of the equation. The derivative of x with respect to x is 1, so we have 2 minus 1 times sine of x, which is simply sine of x. Simplify the expression. Equals minus 2 times d over dx of x all times sine of x. The derivative of x is 1. Equals negative 2 times sine of x. Simplify the expression. Find the answer. The answer is equal to negative 2 times sine of x. The answer is blank. It equals negative 2 times sine of x. Sine is a trigonometric function.